What if you could film a 23-second long video talking about a product that people already wanted, upload it onto an app and make $163,000 in profits? That works out to around 13K per month over 12 months. Now, what if I told you that you wouldn't need to be a massive influencer, you wouldn't need to own any products, you wouldn't need to worry about any customer service, and you wouldn't need to pay any of your own money to promote this product as well? Now, a lot of sensible people would find that a little bit hard to believe. In fact, I used to be one of those people until I came across this example. Meet the man who turned $36 into $163,000 in profit. In this video, we're going to walk through the process that he and thousands of other TikTok Shop affiliates are following in order to achieve these types of results. We're going to look at the product that he promoted. I'm going to show you proof and the numbers behind what I'm claiming.
Hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok Shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like. And if you watch all the way up until the end, and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. Let's talk about the numbers. So proof of the income that I've mentioned. Create a page that I'm on a tool called Shop Plus here, by the way. I've got it linked in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. It's a nice little spy tool for finding these case studies and also just doing a little bit of research in terms of what products are selling the most, who's selling the most in terms of creators, how much money they're making, and which shops are performing really well when it comes to TikTok Shop affiliate. This is the creator that we are talking about. We can see here that they are promoting a product called Loaded Protein here, so it's kind of a pre-workout or health food supplement type of situation there. We can see really good product, really good rating. Now it's $36 per unit, so that means if someone buys this product from the creator's video, from the TikTok Shop affiliate, they will pay $36.09, and the commission that the creator will get paid is 15% out of that. Now here's where it gets a little bit crazy. We can see here that this creator generated $109 million in revenue from a video that they created promoting this product. Now the crazy thing is they are now going to receive, or they have already received, 15% out of that. Bring out a calculator and work that out. It works out at $163,500, which is just absolutely nuts. So all this simply means is people went onto this particular video here, they watched the video, then they purchased this product. The creator got paid 15% out of every purchase, and that is how much commission they would have made. The crazy part is, because this is what's called TikTok Shop affiliate commission, that means they wouldn't have had to pay anything out of that commission. So they wouldn't have had to give anything to TikTok, they wouldn't have had to give anything to the shop. That is money that they get to keep. The rest of the revenue then goes to the actual shop that's managing the products, that's sending the product out to people, dealing with refunds, dealing with customer service, and dealing with shipping and all sorts of other stuff that a TikTok e-commerce shop would have to deal with. So that works out at $13,000 per month, as mentioned earlier in this video, which is more than some people's salaries that work very, very hard doing 9-to-5 jobs that they do not like, reporting to bosses and managers that they don't like, working with colleagues that they don't enjoy working with, and sacrificing time that they could be using spending with their families or doing other things that they love. And this person managed to achieve that with a single 23-second long video. Now you might be asking yourself, okay, that's all great, Victor, but what process, what exactly did they have to do? How does all of this work? Well, it's quite simple. Quite simply, this creator would have used a tool like Shop Plus here or something along those lines, and they would have checked which products are selling the most in the United States, which is where this data is currently from and which is where this creator is from as well. They would have then chosen a product from here that they are comfortable promoting, whether it is the actual protein, whether it's Goli ashwagandha, vitamin D gummies, whatever product they feel comfortable with that they can talk about on a video, something perhaps that they already use themselves or they just have got a certain level of knowledge about. And by the way, a level of knowledge can be very, very little knowledge. You don't have to be an expert, just an end user that uses a product and happy to tell other people about the product. Now, once they've chosen the product that they're promoting, the next thing they would have had to do is film a video. Now, all you need in order to do that is just your mobile phone. This is TikTok, so you're essentially just filming a TikTok video talking about the product that you're promoting, just like they did here, as you can see on the screen. Literally set in a car, nothing too heavy, not heavily edited, nothing over the top. They're literally just responding to a comment, someone asking or someone just saying something about this product that they were talking about potentially in a different video here. And this particular video just happened to get 1.9 million views, and this creator would have had this product linked in that video. They would have had a little icon that everyone that watches the video that's interested in buying the product can click on that little icon, and they get taken to the shop. They buy the product in literally just a few clicks. And that happened a lot of times, as you can see, because they had 1.9 million views organically within TikTok. By the way, this wasn't an advert or anything like that. This was just organic TikTok algorithm push. 34,000 people managed to buy the product from that video, as you can see here. In total, that brought in $1.9 million dollars in revenue, and they got 15% out of that. That's literally all they have to do. If I click onto this little link icon, that takes you back onto their TikTok profile. Here you can see the video that I'm talking about, as well as all other videos that they have created here. And the crazy part, as you can see, you don't even need to have a ton of followers to do this. They're not a huge creator, and they've created a bunch of other videos, some on personal stuff and some promoting this product as well. So that is another key part of this process, is you do not just create one video and stop. As you can see, they created a bunch of different videos promoting the product there until obviously you find the success. Now, again, Victor, that all sounds great. The process sounds, good. But however, how do I find these particular products? Because there's a ton of different products that I can promote. How do I know which product to promote? Now, in terms of choosing the product that you can promote on there, there's, as you can see here on Shop Plus, there's a ranking system that they use where they've got a descending order from top to bottom. You've got the number one most sold product in the US, all the way down to products that are ranking lower. However, just because that is the number one most sold product in the US, it would be a good choice. However, you've got all these different options that you can choose from here. So if you use a spy tool like Shop Plus, that is the number one answer I would give in terms of how to find products that you can promote, whether you're in the USA, whether you're in the United Kingdom, or all these other countries as well. Now, there are other ways you can find products. However, in my opinion, they take far longer. You can find products by going onto the TikTok shop, within the TikTok shop app, going into the product marketplace and looking at individual creators that are doing well, that are being ranked on there, and looking at different products under different categories that TikTok has curated for you on there. However, in terms of drilling down and getting more information that is going to help you make that decision quicker, TikTok shop product marketplace does not give you all of that information. However, if you use a tool like this, all of this information is here as well. Another key part that you'd also want to think about if you are choosing a product that you're going to promote is the historical performance of that product. And this applies to not only TikTok shop affiliates, but also if you're thinking of starting a TikTok shop and selling your own products and being an e-commerce store owner. What you can do with this tool, which is really good, you can see the historical performance of that product. All that simply means is how has this sold over the last 7 days, over the last 15 days, over the last 30 days, and you can even customize it here as well and go back pretty far. And that's also going to let you know that this product is either an evergreen product that you can sell any time of the year, whether it's winter, summer, spring, autumn, Christmas, Halloween, Easter. This allows you to make that decision, because some products are very seasonal, whereas some products will sell consistently throughout the year, those tend to be the good bets. Now, this one here is kind of a bit of an outlier. As you can see, it's not been doing very well over the last 13 days, over the last 15 days. However, it has peaked back up recently, like in the past 7 days. So something has happened. I don't know if there's a big sporting event happening in the USA or something along those lines that's just suddenly spiked interest in protein, but something has happened to drive the consumerism of this back up. I mean, clearly this video was filmed in November last year when this creator made this, so there was a lot of interest then, but something again has happened now in 2024 which is driving the interest of the product up. So it's little trends like that you want to look at. And again, TikTok product marketplace directly does not give you this historical performance of the product. All of this you can view within minutes here on TikTok, on Shop Plus. And again, you know, that saves you a ton of time, and you know, you can basically be able to really test products out really quickly, and you can see which ones failed really quickly, move on, try different products, as opposed to spending weeks selling products that you have no data for and not seeing any success. Now, all of that having been said, now you might be thinking to yourself, Victor, that sounds pretty good, yeah, but what are the other case studies? Who else is making money here? And is there any other creators that have achieved similar results as well? Now, the answer to that is yes. As you can see, firstly here, it's not just that one creator that made a that has seen success promoting this product here. This is the creator then ranking number 2. There's a ton of other creators, but what I would also advise you to do, the video that you've currently got on the screen right now, I go into a lot more detail on another case study where a creator generated $146,000 promoting a TikTok Shop affiliate product similar to this creator here. I'd advise you to check that video out, and you'll start to see some trends and similarities in terms of what people are doing to find success within TikTok Shop affiliate. I'll see you in there.